Shiloh looked gorgeous in a velvet black cocktail dress, looking every bit like a movie star. The teenager sweetly held hands with mom Angelina on the red carpet for the Eternals. Shiloh Jolie-Pitt, 15, was the belle of the ball at the 16th Rome Film Festival. The blonde looked so much like her handsome dad Brad Pitt as she posed for photographers alongside mom Angelina Jolie, 46, and equally gorgeous sister Zahara, 16, on October 24 at the Eternals premiere. Shiloh went with a black velvet gown cut at a cocktail length, adding a dash of her own personality with a bright yellow pair of sneakers. She kept her blonde hair back in a fishtail bun, showing off her glowing skin and makeup. The teen accessorized with a chunky gold hoop earring, reminiscent of the late 80s and early 90s. She sweetly held hands with Angelina, who looked stunning in a strapless silver gown that hugged her curves. The Lara Croft, Tomb Raider actress kept her long brown hair down and straight, seemingly rocking some extensions to add a length. Zahara, who held her mom's hand on the right-hand side, also looked amazing for the premiere. The teenager opted for a Grecian-inspired white gown with a gold sequin neckline. Zahara kept her jewelry simple, sporting a dainty ring, bracelet and hairpin to accent the glam look. Related gallery. Shiloh Jolie-Pitt, 8 times she has looked just like dad Brad Pitt in photos. Angelina has had her kids on hand for multiple premiere events to promote the film, including one just days ago in Los Angeles. Zahara notably wore her mother's 2014 Oscar dress by Elizabeth as she posed with her family, including siblings Maddox, 20, and Knox, 13, and Vivian, also 13. "My kids are all mixed with vintage, and in my old Oscars dress. We did all vintage and upcycled my old stuff," Angelina hilariously said to Entertainment Tonight on the red carpet. Shiloh also looked incredible at the LA event, opting for a sleeveless beige number also belonging to her Oscar-winning mama. Angelina plays character Athena in the upcoming Chloe Zhao-directed Marvel flick, which also stars Kit Harington, Salma Hayek, and Kumail Nanjiani. The film marks Angelina's debut in the Marvel Universe.